Hey guys, I was just playing some late night blitz here, and I had a fascinating game that lasted 16 moves, but contained 5 sacrifices. I don't usually have games that are this awesome, but I want to just show you this one. So let's take a look. I was white, and the first sacrifice comes on move 2. I decided to sacrifice this pawn. Black accepts. Okay, we get some quick development. And I said, you know what? In the spirit of continuing to attack, I sacrificed the bishop on move 6. That's the second sacrifice. Brought the knight in. I set a little trap here. My opponent did not see. Sacrificed the knight here. That's the third sacrifice on move 9. The point is that if the rook takes, I have the fork on the king and the rook. Knight comes back. Okay, the queen comes in. Bishop to f4, another sacrifice on move 12, which I'm quite proud of this one. That's a pretty cool move. The point is after they take, I just slide the king over. Now the rook can come in. And then I finished off the game with another sacrifice, if you'd like to pause and see if you can find it. That's right, if you said rook takes e5, you are correct. The bishop's pinned, the queen has to take if he's going to take the rook, and then there's checkmate on f7. I mean, that just felt like a really cool game. I don't think that I normally have games quite that good, but I don't know. That was pretty fun. So of course it's Blitz, so I didn't check it with Stockfish yet. Probably wasn't sound on all of those moves, but a nice finish nevertheless. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. As always, stay sharp, play smart, and take care.